Hello dear students, welcome to history class. Chapter number 2, the earliest societies for class 6, part 6. In previous class, we have completed all chapter. Now today's topic is in this chapter, the earliest societies, difficult words and pronunciation. See here students, difficult words are they. So first one, EARLIEST, earliest. So next one, SOCIETIES, societies. So next you see ANCESTOR, ancestor. MILLION, million. CONFINED, confined. MILLENNIA, millennium. So next spelling, APPEARED, appear. So next one, PLEISTOCENE, Pleistocene. So next one, ape, CREATURE, creature. HOMINIDS, hominids. So next one, STRAIGHT, straight. So next spelling, WANDERED, bandered. GRADUALLY, gradually. EVOLVE, evolve. So next one, OCCURRED, occurred. So next spelling, ERECT, erect. So next one, FLEXIBLE, flexible. So next one is DEVELOP, develop. So next one, GRIP, grip. So next spelling, FIRMLY, firmly. BRAINCASE, brain case. So next one, JAWS, jaws. So see here next, ERECTUS, erectus. Okay students, so these are difficult spellings and how to pronounce it. See here students, so first spelling you see here, spelling is EARLIEST, earliest. You know that earliest, motta madalu. Okay. So next one, societies, societies. Okay. So motta madalina adi manava. That is the earliest people, earliest society. Okay, early people. So next one, see here, ANCESTOR, ancestor. Ancestor. So this is purvajaru, namma purvajaru. So how to pronounce this? Ancestor. Okay. And next one you see here, MILLION, million. Million. Okay. So it's a thousands of years, million years ago. Okay, we know that. So our earth is formed 4,600 million years ago. And also we have learnt in this chapter, so the life started in that earth, means minimum about 3,500 million years ago. Okay, so million means what? It is a thousands of years ago. Okay, and some, see here, CONFINED, confined. Confined means what? Limited. So we have seen here, when earth was formed, some life was started about 3,500 years ago. Some confined means limited plants and animals we have seen on the earth. Okay, confined. Confined means what? Means what? It's a limited. So next one you see here, MILLENNIA, millennia. Millennia means what? See here, thousands of years ago. Means when earth was formed, when the life started on the earth, and afterwards we have seen some limited plants and animals we have seen on the earth. And afterwards, at the millennia, some early mans appeared on the earth. Means thousands of years ago, the early man was appeared on the earth. Okay. See here, APPEARED, appeared. Okay, appeared means what? So he is present, presented. Okay. And next you see here, PLEISTOCENE, Pleistocene. Pleistocene means what? When the man, early man was appeared on the earth on the millennia, so that period is called that Pleistocene period. That period is called that Pleistocene period. Okay. So next one, APE, ape. Ape means what? When the early man was appeared on the earth, he was ape-like creature. Ape-like creature means, so he walked on his hands, like bent. Okay. So ape-like creature. So how to pronounce this? Ape. So next one, CREATURE, creature. It's a creature, created. So God is created like this man. Okay, ape-like creature. So next one, HOMINIDS, hominids. Hominids means what here? So that ape-like creature people called hominids. Okay. So how to pronounce this? Hominids. So next one you see here, STRAIGST, straight. So it's, you know that, straight. Okay. So next one, next spelling is there here, WANDERED, wandered. Wandered. Okay. So afterwards, the early man was wandered, means he was moved one place to other place to search of food and shelter. So wandered. So how to pronounce this? Wandered. Wandered means what? So move one place to other place. So next spelling is there here, GRADUALLY, gradually. So gradually means he was changed in his body. Okay, he was first before ape-like creature. His body was ape-like. So afterwards slowly changes in his body. Okay, it's a gradually. See here, E-V-O-L-V-E, evolve. So how to pronounce this? Evolve. Evolve means what? Changes. Evolves means what? Changes. Okay. And see here next spelling. O-C-C-U-R-R-E-D. Occurred. Occurred. Some changes occurred in his body. Okay. And next you see here E-R-E-C-T. Erect. Erect. Okay. So afterwards he was erect. Okay. Erect means what here? So he could stand on his leg. Okay. And he could walk on. Means he could walk on his leg. Okay. So it's then he was erect. Okay. So next one is flexible. F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E. Flexible. Flexible means what? Bending. It's a folding. His fingers are folding. His fingers are very long and his fingers are folding. It's a flexible. Okay. So folded. So next one, D-E-V-E-L-O-P. Develop. So you know that develop. Develop means it's a changes that. Okay. So next one, G-R-I-P. Grip. Okay. So next spelling, F-I-R-M-L-Y. Firmly. So grip in firmly. Okay. So next, B-R-A-I-N-C-A-S-E. Brain case. You know that afterwards how he was changed. His brain case was larger. His brain case was larger. Okay. And afterwards, G-J-A-W-S. Jaws. Jaws were smaller. Okay. And see here next one, E-R-E-C-T-U-S. Erectus. So that man who has the brain case was larger and jaws were smaller, called that people Homo erectus. Homo erectus. Okay. So these are the today's spellings. So once again I repeating. See here students. So first spelling is there here. Earliest. Societies. Ancestor. Million. Confined. Millennium. Appeared. Pleistocene. Ape. Creature. Hominids. Straight. Bantered. Gradually. Evolve. Occurred. Erect. Flexible. Develop. Grip. Firmly. Brain case. Jaws. Erectus. Okay students, these all spellings you should be right in history book. You should be right each spelling 10 times. Okay, and neat handwriting, good handwriting. Okay, so you write it each spelling 10 times. After finishing your work, you send it my WhatsApp group. Okay, and next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.